Hey everyone and welcome back. In our last video, we took in the stunning beauty of the Alps while exploring Vaduz and Innsbruck. Now we are heading to our next destination, Zurich. This epic 12-country Europe trip has been an unforgettable adventure and Switzerland marks our 11th country along the way. If you haven't already, make sure to check out my previous videos for more incredible travel experiences from around the world. So now let's dive into Zurich. So the Rhine River serves as a natural border between Switzerland and Liechtenstein. This river is a lifeline for several countries, flowing through Switzerland, Liechtenstein, Austria, Germany, France, and the Netherlands. We are now passing by the beautiful Lake Wellen, which is 30 minutes from Vaduz, and a stunning turquoise lake surrounded by towering peaks. Great for a lakeside picnic or a quick photo stop. Zurich has one of the highest densities of fountains in the world, with over 1,200 scattered across the city, many providing fresh, drinkable water straight from the Alps. So Zurich frequently tops global rankings for quality of life thanks to its cleanliness, safety, efficient public transport, and stunning natural surroundings. So we are entering Zurich, the largest city in Switzerland and also a global financial hub. But hey, don't let that fool you. I'll share some fun and interesting facts about this city in a while. Up ahead is Bahnhofstrasse, one of the most expensive shopping streets in the world. competing with the likes of New York and Paris, and home to luxury brands like Rolex, Cartier, and Louis Vuitton. So we are now around the Old Town area and we will be exploring this area on foot. But before that, let's find a good parking spot because, well, parking in Zurich, let's just say it's an adventure on its own. Right now I'm standing by Zurich Lake and wow, this place is just beautiful. The calm water, those swans drifting by is so peaceful. You'll find people jogging, relaxing or soaking up the views. Definitely a perfect spot to start the day. Heading just a few steps away, here's the Zurich Opera House and look at this building. The intricate details on facade are stunning. Even if you are not into opera, you have to stop here just to admire the architecture. Imagine arriving here on a winter evening with the lights glowing and people dressed up for the show. Doesn't that sound magical? We are now walking across the Quaibrücke bridge and check this out. On one side you have got the calm glistening waters of Zurich Lake and on the other the serene Limmat River flowing through the city. Just as some distance is the St.Peters church and look at that clock face. By the way, the fun fact is the largest clock face in Europe. And here is the Frommuster Church. This one's famous for its incredible stained glass windows designed by Mark Chagall. They are absolutely stunning, bright blues, reds and greens that light up the whole interior. If you are visiting, don't miss stepping inside, it's breathtaking. Just across the river, those twin towers belong to Grossmünster Church, Zurich's iconic landmark. They say this is where the Swiss Reformation started, giving it so much history. Plus, if you would like to climb, you can head up to one of the towers for an epic city view. Now I am crossing Münsterbrook Bridge and it links Zurich's most famous churches. Walking here feels like stepping back in time. Cobblestones under your feet and these charming old buildings lining the riverbanks. Hi, this is Wasser Kirch, a peaceful riverside church with a really fascinating past. Legend has it that this was once a site of execution before becoming a church. Talk about a transformation. So Zurich is also known as the city where trams are the king. The trams here are fast, efficient, and part of everyday life. Zurich's charm really unfolds when you explore it on foot. History, culture, and the beautiful views all in one walk. Not to forget about the amazing food we had here. Definitely one of the best ways to experience this amazing city. So until next time, happy travel and keep exploring.